Hi, today I'm going to show you how to change out your Peltor Ear Pads without any tools. As you can see, mine is pretty beat up. So, easiest way to remove these pads is to just reach down into the inside of the old one. You're going to feel a lip. All you're going to do is pull up. That's how easy it was. Alright, get rid of that. And then same thing, get rid of that. All done. And then I'm just gonna throw on the new pair. I bought the gel ones just to try out. That was pretty easy, huh? Alright, let's do the other one. All done. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button.